Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the 5 reasons that you should pick up the S24 Ultra. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so starting with number 1, the new S24 Ultra is supposed to feature titanium. So it's supposed to have titanium rails. So it'll have the brushed rails. It's going to have different colors, which should feel better in the hand, a little bit more premium, as well as the durability. Um, this is something that a lot of people have been talking about. You know, Apple released the iPhone 15 series with the titanium. We have other smartphone manufacturers that are using titanium as their build quality. And so Samsung's jumping on that train as well. The next thing to talk about is the display. So from what we've seen in the leaks, the display is going to be a flat display, whereas this S23 Ultra has the rounded display. Some people like the curved display, some people like the flat display. I'm looking forward to the flat display, mainly because screen protectors are so much easier to put on a flat display versus a rounded display. And you have to get something like the White Stone Dome, which costs, $60, around 60 bucks, which is a bit much for a tempered glass screen protector on your phone. Next up, there's talk about the charging. So possibly the charging is going to be faster. We don't know if it's going to be a faster wireless or wired charging, but I'll welcome either one. The 45-watt charging is not as great as some of the other smartphones out there that offer, 60 watt and above, 65 watt and above. So that's something definitely to look forward to. Hopefully we'll find that out during the Galaxy Unpacked event. Next up, let's talk about the cameras. We can't talk about the S24 Ultra without talking about the cameras. So one thing that they're talking about is that we're going to lose the 10x optical zoom, and that's going to get replaced with a higher resolution 5x zoom, which we saw that with the new iPhone 15 Pro Max using the 5x. So not sure about that. I do like having that 10x optical zoom on the S23 Ultra, but I'm not opposed to getting a higher resolution and using the 5x. A lot of people don't use the 10x, so that may not be a concern for you. One of the big things that everybody's talking about is AI, the AI features, the Galaxy getting the AI features. Pixel's been known for having the AI functionality with the Pixel 8 Pro being released this year. Everything has been talking about AI. So some of the things we can look forward to is most likely going to be computational photography. There's going to be hopefully some added AI keyboard features, which will be part of the Samsung keyboard, such as like using ChatGPT. There is also some talk, though, of there may be a paywall that you will have to pay extra to use some of those AI features. So we'll find out when they unveil the S24 series, January 17th. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick up the new S24 Ultra or if you're sticking with the smartphone you have and what smartphone you are currently using. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to smash that like button and click the bell notification so you get updated on the new tech videos we'll be releasing on the S24 Ultra. If you wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button as it helps get the video out to more audience and bring more content to you tech enthusiasts. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.